Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass juice at home, step by step. First, gather your supplies, including organic wheatgrass seeds and a shallow tray. Begin by soaking 1 cup of your chosen seeds in cool water for 8 to 12 hours. This crucial step helps to activate the seeds, preparing them for germination. After soaking, make sure to rinse the seeds thoroughly to remove any residue before moving on to planting. Now, prepare your growing tray by adding 1 to 2 inches of good quality organic potting soil. Spread your rinsed wheatgrass seeds evenly over the soil, ensuring they are not clumped together. There's no need to cover them with more soil. Gently mist the seeds with water and continue to do so twice a day to maintain consistent moisture. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to mold growth. Place your tray in a location that receives plenty of indirect light, but avoid harsh, direct sunlight which can scorch the delicate blades. Continue to water your wheatgrass daily, ensuring the soil stays consistently damp but not waterlogged. You'll see rapid growth. When the grass reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches, typically after 7 to 10 days, it's ready for its first harvest. To harvest, simply use a sharp pair of scissors to cut the wheatgrass just above the root line. You can usually get a second, slightly smaller harvest from the same tray. For the best results and maximum nutrient extraction, use a slow masticating juicer to process your fresh wheatgrass. Enjoy your homemade, nutrient-rich wheatgrass juice immediately for optimal benefits. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.